In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a tracking number to an Etsy order using a simple and practical method. First, understand this. Even if you forgot to add tracking when marking an order as shipped, you can still update it later. Adding tracking helps keep buyers informed and improves trust. Now, if you want to add a tracking number to an Etsy order, here's what to do. Start by logging into your Etsy account. Go to the Etsy website or open the app and sign in with your account. Next, open your Shop Manager. Click on Shop Manager to access your store dashboard. After that, go to Orders and Shipping. This is where all your orders are listed. Now, find the completed order. Open the order where you want to add tracking. Then, click on Add Tracking or Edit Tracking. Enter the correct tracking number and select the shipping carrier from the list. Once done, save your changes. That's it. Adding a tracking number ensures your buyer receives updates, reduces confusion, and helps maintain a professional shopping experience on Etsy.